Hello and welcome with another lecture. In this section, I will focus on printing option of AutoCAD 2D. I have covered introduction part of this topic in other videos, but this is more detailed explanation on how to prepare sheets and how to put your drawing into correct scale, and most importantly, how to take print out of your drawing in PDF format. So let's get started. Here I have a drawing of a beam. Now we need to create a new layout. When you check at the bottom of the taskbar, we already have two layouts, 1 and 2, but we want a new one. For that, click this plus symbol right next to layout 2. So what you see now is our new layout we just created. Let's first rename it to avoid confusion. Right click and name it as beam and press enter. Now by default we get some kind of a sheet set up automatically. We don't want this. We need to set our own sheet size. So for that reason we select all and erase it. Go to AutoCAD section, on top left corner, select print, then choose setup page. So in this page setup manager, we have our beam selected. If yours is not highlighted, make sure to check in this, then click modify. For this case, we are more interested in PDF format. So click here and choose this option, DWG to PDF format. Come in here, sheet size, we have n number of sizes, but most commonly used sizes are ISO A3 and ISO A4 sheet. In this I will use ISO A4 sheet 297 by 210 mm. Then over here we have one more option to select. If you want your drawing to be black and white, which is colorless, then you can select a monochrome or gray option. Otherwise your drawing will come out as colored one, which is by default. Afterwards check in this box, and for the quality, normal is the best option and most commonly used. Next is drawing orientation. We have portrait and landscape. For this I'll leave it as landscape. Whatever you choose, you will see a preview right next to it, and you also see preview on top space. Coming to scale, we have millimeters and inches. Here by default we have 1:1. That means 1 mm is equal to 1 unit. For example, if we change to 1:4, then this indicates that 1 mm is equal to 4 units. And instead of millimeters, you can take inches. Let's just leave as 1:1 and mm. Then press OK and close it. Now type viewport at command prompt and press enter. In this window we have 2D setup. If your drawing is in 3D, then you have to opt 3D option. Then visual style, we have 2D wireframe. These other options are very important if you are in 3D drawing. Then press OK. So here we need to draw a window to lay our drawing. So this is our drawing. You can double click and rearrange. You can also zoom in and out. In this case, I would like to keep this cross-section part of my drawing down here so that my drawing appears in the center of the sheet. For that, we will copy the same drawing and paste at the center. Rearrange again. You can as well use scale annotation and find your perfect match. Now export it as PDF format, then save it on your PC. This is how it looks after publishing.